There you go, Rumaan.
You give me one iPhone.
Huh?
I will use. You
No.
are ravished.
Really? Look at these guys. How they go through that. Have a look at this here, right? The cards. You have to see this to believe, man. Look at this. How are you going to carry this? And have a look at this, right? Unreal. Everyone is helping each other. Fantastic. Look how many are putting out a cable there. And look at that ladder made out of bamboo. What do they have here? Oh, is that biryani? That's biryani, right? Wow. Some dinner, huh? Lunch. Having mutton biryani here at the Rumaan restaurant with onions on the side,
Onion,
and
lemon.
water. And this is the curd, right?
Yeah.
That's the curd, and that's the gravy. And I found some students who managed to bring me in here on a motorbike. Yeah, there you go.
Here at Rumaan restaurant.
Oh, too much. No, no. Right, yes, enough. No, not too much. No, no, please. Thank you. What is it? Okay, that's it. Thank you. That's for you. You don't want to eat? You don't eat? Why? It's a shame. You must eat. The Indian way, right? This is absolutely fantastic taste. Oh, why is it? It's not cooked. Cooked? Cooked. Mutton like this is a little red because they use the raw meat before they start cooking it, right? Is that right? They use the raw meat and they cook with the rice. That's the tradition. So beautiful together.